Redeeming Your Time by Jordan Raynor is a thought-provoking book that encourages readers to reevaluate their relationship with time and prioritize its effective use. The author, an entrepreneur and Christian, draws on personal experiences, biblical principles, and insights from successful individuals to offer practical advice on how to make the most of one's time. The book is divided into 3 parts: the case for redeeming your time, the biblical blueprint for redeeming your time, and the practical playbook for redeeming your time. In the first part, the case for redeeming your time, Raynor argues that time is a precious and finite resource that should not be wasted. He emphasizes the importance of recognizing the brevity of life and the urgency to make a difference in the world. Raynor also discusses the negative consequences of time mismanagement, such as guilt, regret, and missed opportunities. To make his case, he shares personal stories and anecdotes, as well as statistics and research on time management and productivity. The second part, the biblical blueprint for redeeming your time, explores the biblical perspective on time and its implications for how we should manage it. Raynor begins by discussing the concept of eternity in our hearts, which he believes is the root of our dissatisfaction with the present and our tendency to waste time. He then examines various biblical characters and their attitudes towards time, including Abraham, Moses, David, and Jesus. Raynor highlights key biblical principles such as stewardship, prioritization, and the importance of relationships. In the third part, the practical playbook for redeeming your time, Raynor provides actionable steps for implementing effective time management strategies. He encourages readers to develop a personal mission statement, set clear goals, and establish daily, weekly, and monthly routines. Raynor also discusses the importance of saying no to non-essential commitments, delegating tasks, and creating margin in one's life. Throughout this section, he offers practical tips and tools, such as the Eisenhower matrix for prioritizing tasks and the time audit for tracking time usage. One of the key themes in redeeming your time is the idea that time management is not just about being productive, but also about living a meaningful life. Raynor argues that true fulfillment comes from using our time to pursue our God-given purposes and make a positive impact on the world. He encourages readers to consider their unique gifts, passions, and circumstances when setting goals and priorities. Another important aspect of the book is its emphasis on the importance of work-life balance. Raynor acknowledges that it is impossible to be effective in all areas of life without sacrificing something else. He encourages readers to identify their most important relationships and responsibilities and make them a priority, even if it means saying no to other opportunities or commitments. Raynor also discusses the role of technology in our lives and how it can both help and hinder our efforts to redeem our time. He offers practical advice on how to use technology wisely, such as setting boundaries around email and social media usage, and suggests that readers regularly evaluate their technology habits to ensure they are aligning with their goals and values. In conclusion, Redeeming Your Time is a comprehensive guide to effective time management that goes beyond mere productivity hacks and offers a deeper, more meaningful perspective on how we should approach our use of time. By drawing on biblical principles and the experiences of successful individuals, Raynor provides readers with the tools and inspiration they need to make the most of their precious time on Earth. The book's message is timely and relevant for anyone seeking to live a more fulfilling, purpose-driven life.